Types of suspensions. According to 1. Route of administration, 2. Nature of dispersed phase and method, 3. Nature of sediment. Route. Oral, topical, parenteral, ophthalmic. Oral suspension types. Antacid oral susp, antibacterial oral susp, dry powder for oral susp. Topical. Clay or polymer dispersion, non-Newtonian. Diffusible solid. Triturate solids in a mortar to form smooth cream. Poorly wettable solid. Wetting agent added to formulation promotes wetting. Indiffusible clumps. Thickening agents added increase viscosity to delay separation or sedimentation. Precipitate forming liquids. Liquid alcoholic or hydroalcoholic tinctures add thickening agents prior to addition. Suspension form byproduct of chemical reactions. Two dilute solutions mixed for fin-E precipitate diffusible with no suspending agent. Flocculated suspension. Wanted suspension in pharmacy solution comes in flock or flakes equals loose aggregates easily redisposable add polymers methyl cellulose. Flocculated. From loose cake easy to redisperse settle rapidly desired. Non-flocculated suspension. Forms hard cake difficult to redisperse settle slowly undesirable. Methyl cellulose. Suspending agents and flocculating agent. Preparation of suspension. Undesirable particle size ground it add litigating agent mortar and pestle preferred. Searspend. Powder for reconstitution flocculating agent does everything except API. Describe different formulation additives in suspensions. Drug wetting agent, suspending and thickening agent, flocculating agents, buffers and pH adjusting agents, osmotic agents, coloring agents, preservatives, external liquid vehicle. Wetting agent decrease the hydrophobicity. Surfactants SLS tween span hydrophilic polymers acacia bentonite colloidal silicon dioxide hydrophilic liquids alcohol glycerol propylene glycol. Surfactants. Flocculating agent, wetting agent, dispersing agent. Semi-synthetic polysaccharide preferred. Sodium carboxymethyl cellulose, methyl cellulose, microcrystalline cellulose. Buffering agents. Buffers for main applications common citric acid and its salt, phosphoric acid and its salt. Osmotic agent. 0.9% sodium chloride equals normal saline. True or false mineral colors not used for oil solutions? True. Preservatives. Benzalkonium chloride, benzoic acid, methylparaben, cetramide. Sweetening agent. Masking bitter taste, bulk sweeteners and artificial sweetening agents. Artificial agents high dosage lead to toxicity. Flavoring agents. Make sure color matches name of flavoring. Humectants. Absorb moisture and prevent degradation of drug propylene glycol and glycerol. Antioxidants. Remember names widely used: ascorbic acid, tocopherols, butylated hydroxyanisyl, butylated hydroxytoluene. Evaluation of suspension. Sedimentation volume degree of flocculation. Sedimentation volume. F equals VO ideally equals 1 VO final VO original. Degree of flocculation. Ratio of sedimentation volume of flocculated suspension F to the sedimentation volume of deflocculated sus FB equals fundamental parameter. Write notes on sustained release suspensions. Longer duration of action compared to aqueous solutions when given IM or SCSQ. Senior susp achieved by decreasing surface area diffusion coefficient solubility. Write notes on the requirements for packaging and storage of suspensions. Wide mouth container sufficient airspace for dispersion airtight protect from freezing alter particle size excessive heat light. Taste masking. Polymer coating of drug ethyl cellulose and ultrajette encapsulation with basic substance. Stability. Physical-chemical microbial. Physical zeta potential. The outside the particle drug coating. Noyes-Whitney equation describes the rate of dissolution. Highest rate is desired, bigger the ds, smaller dm, smaller particle, more solubility, more surface area, more dissolution, smallest thickness of film, higher dissolution. Enhancement of dissolution rate. Decreasing particle size, increase solubility, use of highly soluble salt. Dissolution. Compound goes from solid state into solution in a solvent. Steps in dissolution process. Breaking of interionic or intermolecular bonds in the solute, separation of the molecules of the solvent to provide space in the solvent, interaction between the solvent and the solute molecule or ion. Dissolution, absorption and bioavailability. 0.3 equals 30%, 0.5 equals 50%, 1 equals 100% powder drug going into systemic circulation. CS saturated solution of drug. Drug particle in GI absorbed into blood circulation. CS high concentration of drug. CP concentration goes down.